Okay, so first, let us have an introduction about fluid mechanics to better grasp the concepts and the terms. So, what is a fluid? A fluid is a substance that has no shape. It could either be a liquid or a gas, according to Oxford Dictionary. So, from the word itself, fluid, no? So it's like something that flows, fluid, no? Anything that flows. Anything that flows and conforms with the shape of the container. So since wala siya own shape niya, kung aha siya container ni mo'y butang, mo po diyang shape. Kung cylindrical lang iyang container, so ang fluid is also cylindrical. Kung rectangular prism, so mo po ang shape sa imuhang fluid. So fluid, any liquid or gas, or generally any material that cannot sustain a tangential or shearing force when at rest and that undergoes a continuous change in shape when subjected to such a stress. That is according to Britannica.com. So ang fluid ko, no, dili siya makasustain og tangential or shearing force when at rest. So ipasabot ana. Okay, so let us recall our statics. So natay duha ka main nga types sa forces. We have the normal force, which is perpendicular to the surface. We also have the shearing force or tangential force, which is parallel to the surface. So mo na siya, no? As you can see at the diagram, natay na moving force, a moving surface. So ang force na nag-act sa surface is on the top. So at the bottom, we have the fixed surface. So kana nga surface is undisturbed. Okay. So let us say that a rectangular piece of fluid. So once nga mag-act ang force, tangential force, the fluid tends to move towards the direction of the force. Okay, so the force moves sideways. Okay, so the fluid also, tanaw ninyo, no, ang stress niya is triangular. From the bottom, this one, it has zero stress. So the application of the force, tangential force from the bottom is zero. As it moves upward, as it goes nearer the force, the stress distribution tends to increase, making it a triangular form. So the highest force distribution is on the top, while at the bottom is zero. Okay, so inga na ang fluid, no. Mo nang kung tanaw nimo ang tubig, mostly sa yung movement sideways. Okay, so may elaborate na to na as we go on with our following topics. So what are examples of fluids? Number one, we have water. Water is a fluid, no? Fluid which is essential sa ato ang body. Mapud na yung pinaka biggest type of fluid asa ta mga tan-aw no na water gyud. Specifically, we also have seawater or river. So na fluid gyapon. We also have the air that we breathe. Since ang definition sa fluid is a liquid or a gas, air is a gas. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Smoke is still a type of fluid. Blood sa atong veins, no? It's a liquid. Fuel. Okay, so fuel could be a liquid, pero pag once nga convert na siya through motors, no, pwede na po siya ma-convert into gas. Wait, napil man eh. So fart is still a gas, a fluid. So what is fluid mechanics? Okay, so fluid mechanics is the study of fluids either at rest, which is stationary mode, or in motion, or what we call the dynamic mode. So fluid mechanics is the study of fluids. It is the science concerned with the response of fluids to forces exerted upon them. So it is a body of knowledge, no, specifically to study about fluids. So that is fluid mechanics. What is the importance of fluid mechanics in engineering? So nganong naapil man ni sa ato ang kurso. Okay? So ang engineering daghang mga specialization, murag gyapon na siya og doktor. Okay, so kung may engineer ka, may mechanical, may civil, sa civil mao gihapon, no, dili tanan body of knowledge or dili tanan divisions sa engineering ma-master nimo. Okay, so natay structural engineering, natay geotechnical, natay yung sa paman highway engineering, natay hydraulics, so daghag mga specialization, dili lang kanilang, no. So isa ka specialization sa pagka civil engineer or mechanical engineer is kung ma-master nimo ang about fluids, fluid mechanics and hydraulics. Proceed. Number one, it helps us understand the behavior of fluids. So importante nga mabalaan na tong behaviors of fluids, no. Murag gyapon na siya og uyab, og di nimo masabtan, makagubot yun mo, di ba? So nga na po ng fluids, nanglan nimo ma-understand ang iyang behavior para makabalo ka unsa nga mga kinahanglan nga mga design para makontrol nimo ang fluid, no. Nga na, para mahimong hapsay ang force between sa imo ug sa fluid, or sa structure and sa fluid. So it helps us design structures such as dams. So sa pag-design sa dams pa lang, kinahanglan na gitay vast nga knowledge about fluid mechanics. Tanawon lang ninyo, no, grabe ang kakuskon sa force sa tubig. So kung ang imong structure dili enough, no, dili nimo ma-studyhan og maayo ang mga forces nga naa sa kana nga certain volume of water, dili nimo ma-designan og sakto. So unsa may mahitabo, disaster, di ba? So kita ang responsible for designing structures or hydraulic structures nga parehas ani. So aside sa pag-impound sa water, mabud ni ang source na to usually diri sa atong drinking water. We have reservoirs, design of reservoirs. Okay, so reservoir is an area developed to impound water. So usually reservoirs and dams maghuban na sila. We have the piping system sa balay, sa residence, sa building, sa planta, no? Sa halos tanan, sa machines for mechanical engineers, di ba? We also have canals, no, para ma-redirect ang flow sa water. Irrigation system para sa mga farms. So kinahanglan gihapon ang knowledge sa fluid mechanics para to better understand and to have a best design para mo-flow ang water, no, or ang fertilizer baka ha. So natay daghang type sa irrigation, dili na nato siya matakal diri na ay magamit og pipe, na ay magamit og concrete nga kanal, steam engine. So steam engine kinahanglan gyapon og knowledge about fluid mechanics. So ang steam is a type of fluid. Pump, the design of pump and turbine. Whether you're a civil engineer or mechanical engineer, magamit ni, no? Okay, so ang pump o turbine, ang concept behind ana is still fluid mechanics. So what's the difference between a pump and the turbine? Okay, so ang pump is a device that extracts energy from a motor, no, towards the liquid or towards the fluid. So iyang amplify ang energy sa fluid by extracting energy sa motor or from a source, while ang pump mag-extract siya og energy from the fluid itself and convert it into another type of energy. So mo na siya main difference, no? So elaborate na to na puhon sa atong topics about pump and turbine. Basta kay mo toy ko ano, ang pump is energy towards the fluid, while turbine is ang energy from the fluid. Okay, so I think that's all. For our next video, I will be discussing the properties of fluids together with problem solving.